Welcome to YTE Events and Balloon Decor Birthday Party FAQs. Balloons are fun and exciting part of any party, but let's face it, sometimes they pop. So that brings us to our FAQ for the day. What happens if a balloon pops during the party? At YTE Events, our professional balloon artists always come prepared with extra balloons to quickly replace any that pop at the event. We use high-quality, professional-grade balloons designed to last, but if one pops, we make sure every child leaves with a fun creation. So no need to worry, our balloon guys, or girls, can be your balloon superhero so your party can keep going without a hitch. If you'd like to book a balloon artist for your party, you can do so at yteevents.com, or you can call us directly at 813-310-5900. Again, the website is yteevents.com, and our phone number is 813-310-5900. Well, that's it for our birthday party FAQs. Your event just got better.